Hey guys, here's your boy, Jace. If you want to join my build server, go over here and type it, and type OK right there, and type the seed, and type the seed right there, 15556, and put it building and type it on OK, and you can go right here. You need to type on building, and you need to type on 15556. If you want to build, sure. Then go to Mini World to join my server. And let's get building. Let's go building. Just test out building. Just go on buildings. God. Hey, what are you looking at? You know, you can build everything you want. Everything you want. Just like everything you want. Like everything. I'm building something. I'm going to build Mr. Lego. Mr. Lego. You know what Mr. Lego looks like. He kind of looks like me, like this with no eyes and face. Let me show you guys what he looks like. What Mr. Lego looks like. Here's what Mr. Lego looks like. Mr. Lego looks like. Hey, what are you looking? No, he kind of. Yeah, he's you know, he's kind of with me right now. Yip-a-doom. Yip-a-doom. Okay. Hi to what we're building. What am I building? I'm going to build a fish. Rotten fish. Sure. Okay, got this. He got look like that, and he looks like he got this. And this is for the eye, and that's kind of it. So let's see what does he look like. So, what does he look? Oh God. Okay, so I cannot draw. No, I wish I could draw something. Redstone. Oh no. There's so many. What should I do? Paper? Sure, I can draw paper. You know, you can join it. You can join in. You can join in. Like I tried it. But it worked. It worked, guys. It worked. Go. Type on OK. On. You know, I don't know what should I spell it, but wait. Okay, so add server, and create world, and go right here, and delete this, and here it goes. Here it goes. Let's join in, bruh. Let's join in. If you want to join, this is awesome. Wait, what? Pencil? Why? Pencil. Why? What What do I do? What the heck? Wait, what? Wait, what? What happened? Always stay. Always stay, sure. Let me delete this. Delete. And let me... I don't know how to spell it, but I have it right here. I'm going to do build. Okay. Dope! Build done. So there, and type on 1, 2, 2, 2. Why you fell down, Mr. Lego? And 5. There we go. Let's do flat and wait, what should I do? No! You know what happened? What happened? What happened? But build. Okay, let's go. Do that again. Flat and create world. Good job. Now you gotta remember this block, everybody. You gotta remember this block. Go build me. You guys remember. There we go. And there you have it. You can remember that and you can build everything you want. And I will check in here. I will check it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.